Ladies and gentlemen, car lovers and horsepower addicts, brace yourselves, because what you're about to witness is nothing short of an automotive apocalypse. This isn't just a Ferrari 458 Italia. No, this is a Liberty Walk, graduated, wide-bodied, tarmac-hugging, wing-wielding beast, forged not in Italy, but reimagined by the wild minds of Japan's tuning royalty. Originally born as the last of Ferrari's naturally aspirated, mid-engine rear-wheel drive purists, the 458 Italia was already an icon. No turbos, no hybrid gimmicks. Just a screaming V8 that revved to 9,000 RPM like it was trying to break the sound barrier. But Liberty Walk looked at it and said, "Not enough." So what did they do? Oh, nothing crazy. Just strapped on a wide-body kit that makes it look like a street-legal Le Mans car. Front and rear skirts? Check. Aggressive diffuser? Check. Vented hood and a rear wing that could double as a launch pad for satellites? Double check. And look at that stance. This thing doesn't sit. It squats like it's ready to pounce. The suspension's been dropped lower than your chances of catching this thing on the highway. And those new black wheels? Menacing. Mean. Magnificent. Now don't expect a spaceship cockpit inside. Liberty Walk kept it classy with the factory leather interior. Brown seats, red stitching, Ferrari badge proudly gleaming. No neon, no screens, just pure Italian craftsmanship. Because when you look this insane on the outside, you don't need to scream on the inside. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated V8 that sings like Pavarotti and punches like Tyson. 562 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Top speed? 202 miles per hour. This isn't just fast, this is warp speed on wheels. So yeah, the Ferrari 458 Italia was already legendary. But this one's a fire-breathing samurai stallion, tuned in Tokyo, unleashed on the world. And if you're lucky enough to see one on the road, just pray it slows down long enough for you to catch a glimpse. Hit that like button if you're still breathing. Subscribe for more wild builds that make your stock car look like a toaster.